Whether you're traveling for work or just enjoying time away, there's one thing that should stay far from your mind when you reach your hotel room. That's bed bugs. Don't be too eager to jump on that mattress because bed bugs can infest even 5-star hotels. So in this video, we'll go over some travel tips so you can prevent bed bugs from coming back home with you. Hi, I'm Colin with Solutions Pest Salon. If you're new to us, we create these videos to help educate people like you about DIY pest control. For the professional products shown in this video and to learn more about bed bugs, click the icon on the top right of the screen or click the links in the description below. Bed bugs are known to be one of the most difficult pests to get rid of. They bite, they suck blood, they're good at hiding, and they reproduce rapidly. Not even your worst enemy deserves to get bed bugs, so use these tips and products to prevent yourself from picking them up when you travel. Links for all the products shown in this video can be found in the description below. There we'll also have timestamps so you can skip around. Before traveling, there are a few things you can bring with you to help deter bed bugs from attaching themselves to your property. These are things found around the house already, and they're usually easy to pack in the luggage. Large, close-sealed storage bags. These are ideal for storing your clean or dirty laundry to prevent bed bugs from attaching themselves to your clothes. Large disposable plastic bags or garbage bags to cover your luggage, and a flashlight to help inspect for bed bugs. Once you've arrived at your destination, you'll first want to give yourself enough time to check the room for bed bugs. The first thing you should do when arriving is to leave your personal belongings in your vehicle. If you're being dropped off, then you'll want to leave your luggage in the bathtub of your hotel room. The reason we put our luggage in the bathtub of all places is that bed bugs can't climb slick surfaces like porcelain, glass, or smooth plastic. So until you've confirmed there are no bed bugs in your room, the bathtub is the safest place for your belongings. Never leave your luggage on the floor of the room, on luggage racks, or especially the bed. You want to first inspect the room for bed bug activity. If the room is infested, leaving your stuff in the car or in the bathtub will help prevent them from infesting. Next, take the flashlight you brought with you and do an inspection of the room. Remember that bed bugs like to hide in tight cracks and crevices, so look for cracks and crevices as thin as a credit card. Check the tufts and linings of the mattress, carpet edging, curtains, dresser drawers, inside or behind bedside tables, underneath cushions, behind and under furniture, picture frames, and inside closets. You're looking for any sign of bed bug activity, including dried blood smears, shed skin shells, eggs, and any bed bugs themselves. If you don't find any evidence of bed bug activity, then great. Feel free to unpack your clothes into the sealable bags and in the drawers. However, if you do find signs of bed bug activity, then you'll want to take action immediately. You can check out of the hotel and into a new one, or opt for a different room at your current hotel. If you choose to stay in a different room, make sure it's not adjacent to your old room, whether it's the side, top, or bottom. Bed bugs are serious pests and difficult to get rid of. So when you're done traveling and you're back home, these final steps will help ensure that any bed bugs you may have picked up will be unable to infest. Don't immediately unpack your belongings and luggage once you arrive home. First, you'll want to unpack your clothes directly from your luggage to your washing machine. This includes all of your clean laundry as well. Once your clothes have been washed, be sure to dry them on high heat to kill any bed bugs that may have hitched a ride. Next, you may want to wash your car and vacuum the upholstery in the interior. Then vacuum your luggage and dispose the vacuum's contents into your outdoor trash. So what do you do if you bring bed bugs home? Once you've cleaned your luggage and clothes, you'll want to do a chemical treatment for bed bugs with Flex 1010 and Gentrol IGR. Before using any of these products, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE. And remember to keep all people and pets off the treated areas until dry. Flex 1010 is a liquid insecticide concentrate that will treat for bed bugs and provide residual control, while Gentrol IGR is an insect growth regulator. This will target juvenile bed bugs and prevent them from maturing into reproductive adults. You can apply Flex 1010 to the tufts, edges, seams, and folds of your mattress at a mix rate of 3.2 to 6.4 fluid ounces in 1 gallon of water. Afterward, add 1 fluid ounce of Gentrol IGR to your mix and apply the solution to the box spring, bed frame, and around baseboards where the carpet meets the wall. After treating with your Flex 1010 and Gentrol solution, you can flush bed bugs from their hiding places with Pyrid insecticide. Pyrid is a contact spray that will immediately knock down pests and kill them in minutes, and is a great flushing agent to target bed bugs in cracks and crevices and drive them out. For crack and crevice applications, affix the included straw into the can's actuator, stick the straw into the area where pests may be hiding, and spray in quick bursts. Please note that bed bug treatment may take time and could require several retreatments in 30-day intervals. Learn more about bed bug control with our complete guide on our website. Once you've completed your chemical treatment and everything's dry, you can encase your mattress and box spring in mattress encasements. This will make it impossible for any bed bugs that were there to get out, and will make it impossible for any bed bugs outside the mattress and box spring from getting in. Visit our website for each of these products. With our tips and our professional grade products, you can prevent bed bugs from infesting your home, and we offer fast and free shipping so you can get control quickly. Solutions is a small, family-owned business, and we rely on referrals from customers like you. So if you like this how-to guide and when the products work for you, please share and tell your friends and family about us. I'm Colin with Solutions Pest and Lawn. Ask us how, and then do it yourself.